Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to set up our own private VPN on our own private server. VPNs are generally used for protecting our data from internet service providers. This is also used to protect our data when using the public Wi-Fi. This can be used for media purpose. So before we proceed, let me remind you, using VPN is legal, but doing any illegal activities without using VPN or with using VPN is still illegal. So make sure you use the VPN responsibly and for legal activities only. So let's proceed. So here you can see I have a AWS server hosted in London. So let's see how we can set up the VPN on this server. After that, we will also see how we can connect to that VPN using our desktop as well as Android or iPhone device. So first I will log into my server. Then we will update our package using sudo apt update. Then we will clone this Git repository. You will find the link of this repository in the description. So type git clone URL of the repository. See, this is cloned here in the server. Go to directory openvpn-install. Then run openvpn-install.sh file with sudo access. See, now it will ask for public IPv4 address. Here you can see there is already one IP address displaying here. If you want to change the IP address, then type your own IP address, or else if it is the same, then you can just press enter. So I will press enter here as this is the correct IP address. You can see this is my public IP address which is showing in AWS as well. So this is correct. Enter. Here I recommend to use UDP. So you can just type 1 and enter. Here you have to give the port number which you want for the OpenVPN server. So 1194 is the default port. If you don't want to change it, just press enter. Make sure whatever port you use, that port should be allowed if you are using the firewall. Then choose the DNS server. So I will choose the Google. So just type 2 and enter. Then give any name to the client. So I'll prefer to give OpenVPN-London. Then I'll press enter. Then just press enter to continue. This will install the OpenVPN server in your server. And one OVPN file will be created in the home directory. So just go to home directory. Now we have to copy this file from the server to our laptop or to our Android device, wherever we want to use the VPN. So I will use secure copy for that. You can use any other method to copy that file from your server to your local machine or your laptop. So before I copy, I'll just change the owner from root to my current user so that I can copy it without permission issue. So I'm using secure copy, so I'll give this command. You can use WinSCP or any other method like Secure File Transfer Protocol SFTP. Now after we copy the OVPN file, now we will try to connect to the VPN. So to connect to VPN, we have to install OpenVPN tool in our Linux desktop. So just type sudo apt install OpenVPN to install the OpenVPN in Ubuntu based operating system. You can see it is installed here. Then to connect to the VPN, just type sudo space openvpn space -- config, then space give the file name which we copied, then press enter. It is trying to connect. Now you can see, and last it is written initialization sequence completed. That means we are connected to the VPN server now. Now let me check what is the current location it is showing. So you can check in on what is my ipaddress.com. So I just typed it. You can see it is showing London here. That means I am connected to the VPN now. I am accessing all the data from London server. Now to disconnect the VPN, just press Ctrl C. Now after disconnecting, I'll show you what is the current location it is showing. See, you can see it is showing Bangalore now, which is my current location. After I disconnected from the VPN. Now I will show you how to connect to the VPN using our Android phone. So go to the Play Store, download OpenVPN client, OpenVPN Connect app. You have to install it. Open the application. Give all the permission it is required. Now in the file section, just select the .ovpn file. You will have to copy the .ovpn file to your phone to be able to connect to the VPN. Now once you select that file, click on add and click on the toggle button to connect it. Okay. See, you can see it is connected now. Let me check my location here. So the same address I typed. And you can see it is showing London here. You can download the same application in iPhone as well, and you can use the same file to connect. So that's it for the today's video. If you liked it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.